She is a visual content strategist, and her award-winning blog is called Socially Sorted, which, by the way, Forbes just named it as one of the top 5 social media blogs you need to be following, and it's called Socially Sorted. So please give a warm welcome to Donna Moritz.
So if you've not been living under a rock, you'd know we're in a visual economy. How we create, collaborate and communicate is visual, and teams of designers and non-designers need to be able to create on-brand content quickly and at scale.
Oh, it was absolutely fantastic. Donna is great. She's always really high energy.
I love her style and the way she cracks a few jokes and gets people laughing as well as learning.
And guess what? The brand design team is happy because finally content's on brand, and the non-designers are happy because they can produce content that looks pretty dang good.
It's hard when you're running a small business and you don't know how to use these tools, or you don't feel like you're a designer. If you can find a way to create content quickly and easily, then you can get on with the important work.
Well, just coming out of Donna's session, it was absolutely brilliant. What I love about Donna's session is you get strategic advice, but you also get practical information as well. And she's a super energetic speaker. She's fun, energetic, and the content is amazing.
Down to earth, fun and friendly.
Smart companies are realising that they need to tell their brand story from the source as a team.
If my workshop attendees aren't working smarter and having bucket loads of fun in Canva creating stunning visuals as a team, I haven't done my job.